Hari Om. So I am continuing Sree Rudram Anuvagam 11, last Anuvagam, and the verses is 8 and 9, only 2 verses because the Rishi is one for this. The Rishi is called Devala, and the meter, the Chandas is Anushtup Chandaha, Gayatri, Ushnuku, Anushtupu, Brihati, Pankti, Drishtupu, Jagati, so 7, and the Devata is Rudran only. Devala is a very big Puranic Rishi, and even in Mahabharata he comes, Arjuna praises Devala, also refers to Devala Maharishi in several places, and he has written one Devala Smriti. So this is the background. So before that, Sarve Janah Sukhino Bhavantu, Stribhyah Dirga Sumangali Bhava, Sarvavyadi Nivarana Praptirastu, Sarva Aishwaryam Avivriddhir Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalani Cha Bhavantu Tadhastu. So the verse. Ye patham patirakshaya aila bridha yavyudaha etirthani pracharanti srikavanto nishanginaha. This is only 2 lines here. Ye, I told you, ye is yat shabdaha, that is who all. Yaha is who, singular, yaha yav ye, bahuvachanam, plural, nominative, first prathama vibhakti. Yaha yav ye, yam yav yan, yena yabhyam yehi, yasmai yabhyam yebhyah, yasmati yabhyam yebhyah, like that, yasya yayoho yesham, yasmin yayoho yeshu. Strilinga is ya, ye, ya. So, those who all. Ye patham pati. Pathin is the, patham is road. See, or you can also say travelers on the road. It can, because pathin is the shabdaha, and you will get an apumsakalinga, pathin, and you will get pantaha also. So patham is a shashti vibhakti bahuvachanam. Shashti means possessive case. I think it is genitive in English. Possessive of the roads, of the travelers on the roads also you can take as a contextual meaning of the marga, of the pathways, of the ways to Bhagavan, like that. So those who go on the roads, on the ways, on the marga, of those. So it's a possessive case of the roads, of the people who are going on the roads you can take. Patham is a shashti bahuvachanam. E patham pati rakshaya. He is the pati, he is the owner, he is a yajamanar, rakshaya for safety, for protection, rakshanam, rakshati bhavan. Rakshaya. E patham pati rakshaya aila brida. Rakshaya aila brida. Now he is a rakshaya, he protecting aila brida yavyudaha. Now aila brida, aila means abundance of food, of refreshments, abundance. Aila brida. Brida is generally, I would say, aila brida, if you take as a one word, it's a one Vedic word, means people who are abundantly giving oblations, tarpana to Bhagavan. In the next line will come a tirthani. Now let us see, tarpanas, oblations, sacrifices means not killing the animals, but the oblations, the tirtha, the swaha, the dugdham, panchagavyam and all, oblations. Aila brida. Aila separately means abundance of refreshments. So brida may come from that, it is third ba, but it can come from bha, to wear and all. So those people who are carrying on those oblations, yavyudaha. So yavira and all will say yudaha means those who go with oblations. Yuddhaha means soldiers. I mean yudaha. Now they do the war, or people. It refers to the Shiva Rudraganas probably yavira yuddha, who carry on these oblations, who are Rudra Ganas, who are soldiers, if you want to say Yuddham, Yuddha and all, soldier in normal Sanskrita. Vedic Sanskrit it may contextually refer different. So it refers to Aila Brida Yavyudaha, carrying on these oblations on the road, patham, and he is a protector, Pati Rakshaya Aila Brida Yavyudaha. So Aila Brida is the oblations, abundant oblations, Aila Brida, carrying on, wearing on all these oblations, in all those baskets and other things and tarpanas and other things. These Yudaha, these soldiers, Yavyudaha, what it refers to, Yavyudaha. Yavira Yuddha, abundant Yuddha. In abundance they carry this oblations. Yuddha means, I told you, it's a soldier. So Yavira Yuddha. Now, I will come to the meter later on. Ye patham, patirakshayaha, aila brida, yavyudaha. So, ye patham is 2. So, ye patham, patirakshaya is 2. Aila brida is 2, 6. Yavyudaha, yavira or yavi yuddha. It is also 2. So, 8. I told you very clearly, in Anushtup meter, Gayatri, Ushnuka, Anushtupa, the third, they have to have 8 plus 8 plus 8, just like you have in Gayatri Japam also 8 plus 8, so that it fits the meter, the raga, the swara. So, ye patham, patirakshaya, aila brida, yavyudaha, 8 syllables are there. Ye tirthani pracharanti srikavanto nishanginaha, that also is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Ye patham, 2. Patirakshaya, aila bridha, yavyudaha. So 2 plus 8. This is a meter, chandas to Anushtup. So, ye patham patirakshaya, those who all, it refers to this yavyudaha, carrying aila bridha, oblations to Bhagavan. No, ye tirthani, next line. Ye tirthani, ye again, yaha yo ye, who all. Yaha is who. Kaha is also who. Let us see. This Sanskrit you have to. This is yad shabda. Ye tirthani, bahuvachanam, nominative. What is tirthani? It is tirthani means sacred rivers. Tirtha means we take Achyutaya Namah, Anandaya Namah. If you go to a temple, he gives you the tirtha, the prasad. Tirthani means those pilgrims, all the rivers. It's what it means. Tirtham, tirthani, bahuvachanam, napumsaka lingam. Nominative. E tirthani, all those sacred rivers, tirtha places. E tirthani pracharanti. Prakasha, pra is upasargaha. I told you prefix to a charanti, to a verb. Let us see. Pra is a upasargaha. Pragyaha. Prakashaha and all. It is all upasargaha. Gives force. There are 22 upasargas. Pra is a very big upasarga. Prabhavaha, bhavaha, prabhavaha. So, ye tirthani pracharanti. Charati means there are 2-3 meanings. Charati means the cow is grazing, charati. Denuhu charati you can say. Or moving also. Through foot. Pada charana yoho. Bhagavan's charana yoho. Aham namaskaram karomi. No, charana yoho. Duality. Charana means also padam, movement, feet, by feet, moving. Those who move, who move again and again, pracharanti. So, where they pracharanti? On all the sacred rivers, people go, no, they go charati. Te charanti, bahuvachanam. Charanti is bahuvachanam, gachanti, pashyanti, like that. Kadhanti and all. Te kadhanti, they eat. Sahataute. So pracharanti. So who goes, people who are going, emphasizing that pra. So pracharanti srikavantaha. Also srikavantaha. Srika is actually a sharp-edged spear. Or there are a lot of meanings for srika, but I am going to take here with the swords, the spear. Srikavantaha. Srika plus vat. Srikavat, armored man, a soldier. Armored man, like you say, no, ARMO, with a weaponed man. You can use in English. Direct translation may not be possible. A srika is a spear, a sword. There are lots of words for srika. Srikalaha means jackal also. So srikavantaha, srikavate, srikavantaha, bahuvachanam. Like bhavan, bhavanto, bhavantaha. So srikavantaha, people carrying swords, arms and all, protecting themselves also. Srikavantaha, nishanginaha. Nishanginaha is again those quiver, a basket which can carry arms. Even so, people nishanginaha, those who carry those baskets with arms and all. That is a fully dressed something like those people who go to the sacred rivers. They all pay oblations abundantly in those sacred rivers to Bhagavan only, Parameshwara only. That's what Devala is referring to all those people. So, Patham, he is going to give protection for all those on the roads, people, those who are going on these roads, Patham. Patham Pati, he is the Pati and he is a Rakshayaha. Patham Pati Rakshayaha Aila Bridha. People who do lots of oblations, abundantly, refreshments to Bhagavan, Panchagavyam. Pati Rakshaya Aila Bridha Yavyudaha, Yavikara, Yavi plus Yuddhaha. Again, the soldiers carrying all these arms, brave people in abundance, they carry Yavi, they carry all these things in abundance, going on those roads, on those pathways to the sacred rivers. See, Himalayas and all those things in POJK, in all those regions, Swat Valley and all, beautiful rivers are there. Some rivers, I told you, are saltwater lakes also. Whereas Manasarovar is a pure water lake. They are salt water because of the chemicals or the ingredients of the mountains. When they flow into the lake, they get salty. Like your sea water is salty because of the flow from the inland. And some are freshwater lakes also. There are a lot of freshwater lakes also. So people go, there was a lot of rivers, glacier melting, rainfalls at different levels, elevations, different heights. So people go, they were all, so he is praying, Devala is creating this verse referring to all those people, the Rudraganas, carrying arms, carrying all these oblations, materials, carrying everything in abundance. He is the protector, Pati Rakshaya, he is the Pati, he is the Yajamanar, he is the owner. He is the owner, he will, who protects all these people also. They are growing in drooves. So this is the verse. Now, cosmologically, this is the base level understanding, a reference, geopolitical, geo-human reference. Cosmologically, if you see the cosmology, why the arms and all? Arms means what? Arms, the Dishanginaha, the quiver. Why? The pathways, the abundance of oblations. In cosmos, arms are what? All those sharp stones, crashing, hitting, like even comets, meteors, meteorites, stones. But he is the, see, when they go and everywhere in the cosmos, it is calm if you look. There is no any incident happening now. They are all calm. He is the part who has created the universe through his Rudradhandava, the matter from the light. And when the light cools down, matter is formed. And he is safely protecting them, including our Earth, the Jupiter, the Saturn and all, our solar system, and several solar systems in our Milky Way. As I told you, there are about 100 billion to 400 billion, 10,000 crore to 40,000 crore suns. Most of them are several times bigger than our sun. They don't crash each other, and they are all in an ordered way. The cosmology, as Einstein says, is orderly now. For that orderly, he is the weight of the way, the path, the road in the cosmos. He protects. Pati Rakshaya. All those, what are these Nishanginaha, the quivers? The quivers are these earths, the planets, the stones. They carry all those food and other oblations, See how well it correlates. So he is an orderly cosmos. He is the one who gives the orderly cosmos. That is what in cosmology, if you correlate these factors, we can understand better. So 8 and 9 I have finished. Today I am ending this 8 and 9, and tomorrow same Anuvaga 11. It's a final Anuvaga in Rudram, Sree Rudram, and Rishi may be different, so I shall continue that till such time. Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam. Please subscribe to my channel for its continuity. Hari Om. Thank you.